Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have Insta360 GO 3, the tiny mighty action camera. I have the 64 GB version, and this is the box. So it comes with a Insta360 GO 3 camera, action pod, charge cable, and a magnet pendant, stand, and the easy clip. Here is the box. So it comes with a 2.7K video. It has a voice control, magnet mounting system, 360 horizon lock. Okay, so let's unbox this. Gently. Let's open the box. And here is the beautiful tiny camera. So let's put this aside for now. Okay, and here is some instructions. Okay. The cable. Okay, let's open from here. Okay, let's put this aside. This is manual guides. So we have the sticker here. Let's put this aside. So we have the USB-C cable to USB-C A. And let's get this camera for now. Let's see, closer look. Put this aside. Here we have the magnet. So you need to put the side. It's yes, it is magnet. Right. And here is the pod. How do you put this one? Just like that. activated. Settings, and go to settings or register now. We could, how did you move this one? Oh, there you go. Okay. How come it doesn't? There you go. Come on, come on. There you go. Let's put the cable. Here are two. Like that. Or you can put this one up here. It's cool. Skins or a protection for the camera. Let's remove this one. Let's see how it's fixed. The custom skin for the Go 3. Right. Okay. It's tiny. Let me remove this thing up. Let's put the cover up here. Looks like I have to remove this lens. Yes. Gently. Then you need to put the cover like this. It's okay. And then tighten up. And there's a Go 3 with the cover skin, custom skin. So that's conclude this video. I want to say thank you very much. Make sure to click a like button, and we'll see another great video next time. Thank you.